Is your Targus Docking Station's Ethernet port not working? The most common causes are related to the physical LAN cable and network drivers. First, check your Ethernet cable. Ensure it's properly connected to both the dock and your network device like router or switch. Inspect the cable for any visible damage like bent pins or tears. Try a different known good Ethernet cable such as Cat5e or Cat6. If that doesn't work, reseat the cable firmly at both ends. Next, address the network drivers. Open Device Manager on your computer. Locate your Targus Docking Station's Ethernet adapter, usually under Network Adapters. If you see a yellow exclamation mark, it indicates a driver problem. Right-click the adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If that fails, download the latest driver from Targus' official website for your specific dock model and install it manually. Reboot your computer after driver updates. These simple hardware and software checks resolve most Ethernet connectivity issues on Targus docks. Still having trouble? Let's dive into more advanced solutions. First, check your Targus docks firmware. Targus releases firmware updates to address compatibility issues, including Ethernet port recognition. Use the Targus utility software to scan for and install any available firmware updates for your docking station. An outdated firmware can cause various malfunctions. Next, ensure your dock is receiving sufficient power. Docking stations, particularly those powering multiple devices, require adequate power. Use the original Targus power adapter that came with the dock, typically 45 to 90 watts. Insufficient power can lead to unstable Ethernet connections. Also, check for conflicts with other USB devices connected to the dock. Try disconnecting other peripherals temporarily to see if the Ethernet connection stabilizes. Finally, examine your computer's BIOS settings. Some BIOS settings can disable Ethernet ports or interfere with docking station functionality. Consult your computer's manual for instructions on accessing BIOS settings and ensure Ethernet is enabled. If DHCP assignment fails, your dock may not be getting an IP address properly. Consider statically assigning an IP address to the dock's Ethernet port. If issues persist, consult Targus support or online forums for model-specific troubleshooting.